Welcome to Noodle Digest, your trusted source for AI and market insights. Today we're diving into AI and Market Watch, key developments shaping the week ahead, an exploration of the pivotal events unfolding as we close out October 2025. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Noodle Digest for your weekly AI and market insights. And for detailed analysis, head over to noodledigest.com. Now we're witnessing a notable shift in the AI, semiconductor, and cloud computing landscape. This has profound implications for investors with stakes in major names like Alphabet, Amazon, Nvidia, and Microsoft. Let's take a closer look at the most relevant market developments and understand their significance for those navigating the AI hardware ecosystem. First up, we have major tech earnings on the horizon. Big tech powerhouses, Microsoft, Alphabet, and Amazon, are all set to report their earnings next week. There's a sharp focus here on their AI and cloud performances. Why does this matter? Well, Microsoft has its eyes on Azure AI and Copilot adoption as key growth levers. Google's advertising and Gemini AI enhancements will shed light on their AI monetization strategies. Amazon, on the other hand, will reveal progress on AWS infrastructure modernization and AI partnerships. And for hardware suppliers like Nvidia, Taiwan Semiconductor, and Broadcom, the end-market cloud build-outs will be crucial. They depend heavily on strong enterprise AI demand, which could mean a spike in chip and hardware orders. But remember, with expectations soaring, any hiccup in guidance could cause a ripple effect across the sector. Next, let's talk macro trends. The US stock market is scaling new heights. This is fueled by optimism over a potential US-China trade agreement and expectations of a Federal Reserve rate cut later this quarter. Such a favorable macro backdrop bodes well for growth-oriented tech and AI stocks, but high optimism also raises the execution risks. Companies must deliver on promises to justify their soaring valuations. Turning to AI sentiment and supply chain dynamics, investor enthusiasm remains strong for hardware and infrastructure players like Nvidia, TSMC, and Broadcom. Why does this matter to you as an investor? These companies are at the heart of AI compute infrastructure. TSMC is crucial for semiconductor manufacturing but faces geopolitical and capital expenditure challenges. Now, shifting focus to emerging opportunities, as AI infrastructure demand surges, there's rising interest in lesser-known hardware enablers. These include firms involved in packaging, power management, and other crucial components. A spotlight is on a particular power management firm, excelling in AI data center optimization, demonstrating the broader ripple effect across the ecosystem. These smaller players might offer asymmetric upside, driven by the same tailwinds boosting their bigger counterparts, but without the steep valuation premiums. In summary, the upcoming earnings week is pivotal. Expect increased volatility paired with plenty of opportunities as the market reassesses leadership in AI, cloud, and semiconductor sectors. Savvy investors will keep an eye not just on the big tech giants, but also on how supporting ecosystem players are gearing up for the next wave of AI infrastructure growth. Thank you for tuning in to Noodle Digest, where we keep you enlightened on the latest in AI and market. We hope you found this insight valuable, and we'll catch you in our next episode.